Welcome to 38 Spring Wagon Lane in Elmira. This beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath family home is perfect for any growing family. It's right across the road from Bristow Creek Park. It has a really great backyard, fenced in for your fur babies, a nice deck. Come on in, let's check out this beautiful home full of all the beautiful light. Right inside the front door, we have this beautiful living space. This would make a great home office. This would make a great place to read. It's got your plant babies in here because you have all the sunshine. This is a beautiful room with a gas fireplace to entertain guests and just relax away from the main part of the home. So the kids can be in the back playing and you can be out here enjoying a bit of peaceful time and all of this wonderful sunshine. Inside the kitchen, you have lots of space to entertain. So there is a formal dining room over there. The living room is open to this kitchen area. You have all this kitchen space with a really cute little coffee bar going on here too. And then the dining room space here as well for your everyday use. So this is where the kids can do homework, work on art projects, and have your regular everyday dinner. This is all here in one space at the back of the house and truly where you're going to do most of your living. Deck has a lot of space to entertain. There is a dining space there with 6 people. We have this extra little seating area here, room to cook on the barbecue as well. And then behind me, you have a really cute shed, a fenced yard so you can let your fur baby loose. And then you also have room for the kids to play here too. This is exactly why you moved to Elmira. You get a really great neighborhood. The park is right across the road. It is perfect to raise a family out here. Upstairs laundry is a dream in a house like this. It's one of the complaints I hear about most often from families is lugging your laundry up and down the stairs. Now there's no time to get it done. The kids don't want to fold it. The kids don't want to put it away. It's here. It's close to the bedrooms. 3 good-sized bedrooms up here. So get the laundry started, get it done. It's so much easier. Look how cute these rooms are too. So in here, this is at the back of the house, has a good-sized closet, painted so cute. Their daughter lives here right now and she has the cutest little room, is so proud of it. So this is going to be great for any family to have lots of space for their kids to enjoy a good sized room. Here we are inside of the primary suite. As you can see, room for a king-size bed, lots of room for dressers. Behind me, you have the hallway going to double closets and a 4-piece ensuite, which means you have a really nice soaker tub. So if you want to come here, get away from the family, relax a bit, have a bath, read a book, light a candle, this is also your space away from everyone. This is the perfect home for any family who has kids running around, busy lives, but you want to also take some time for yourself. This room gives you exactly that.
basement like this is perfect. Even though it's unfinished, it is waiting for your touches. You can have the kids come down here, play hockey, and you can get a full squat rack in here. Or you want to finish it, easy to do, throw some drywall up, and you've got a great entertainment space, and you can even section it off. You can do storage, entertainment, you can do entertainment. Come down here, watch the Jays, go upstairs, watch the Jays. We got everything covered. Plus you've got huge windows that give you potential to even throw a bedroom down here. This basement's got it all. It's big and it's ready for you.